Hey beauties, welcome to another YouTube video. So yes, I am back with another video and I'm using some new products which I'm really happy about. Like, these products turned out really good, and I'm just really happy about the products. They're all really good products. Let's get right into the video. Hey beauties, okay, so first of all, I'm starting off with skincare, and I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum, which is amazing, and also the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream Extra Dry Skin Moisturizer. Now I'm going in with the Airspun powder to set where I have large pores, just so it could be smooth and nice. I love doing this trick. I got it from Jackie. It has my foundation looking flawless. Speaking of Jackie, this is the Born This Way foundation, and this is the one that Jackie, well, one of the shades that Jackie made with Too Faced. This is actually Jackie's shade. Well, it was. I think she uses Spice From now, but this was her shade. I guess this is like her winter shade. This is Chai. And I absolutely love this. It was my first time trying the foundation, period. And it's really a nice foundation. It blends really amazing. I have been loving this Smashbox concealer that I got from my, drop some stuff, that I got from my Ipsy bag. It is in the color medium dark, and it's their Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. It's amazing. Well, it's not amazing. I mean, it's amazing. It is a little bit more wet. Is more of a liquid consistency than I'm used to. But once you let it sit for a little bit, which I did, and then blend it out, it gives you that full coverage, and it's just incredible. I'm setting that concealer with the Airspun powder. I kind of went back to it. I still like it. It's still a little dry, so you guys will see me fix plus my face a lot. I'm also cutting the my cheeks right now so that contour can pop. But yeah, the Airspun powder is pretty good. Now I'm using Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. I took those two shades. I love mixing those and kind of bronzing, kind of contouring at the same time. And it's a really good palette. Chapstick, always. I don't know why I didn't put that on in the beginning. I probably forgot. So I could not find my powder, but you guys know I love the the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I couldn't find it, so I kind of just took the brush that I use and wiped off that powder, and also got to put that Fix Plus on because I got that dry. I need it to be all, glowy and stuff. Here is the best part. This is the Perception palette by ColourPop and Makeup Shayla. And I'm first going in with the shade Culture, which is it's an okay transition shade. I think it's probably a little bit too light, but it worked. Then I'm going in with Thick, which is like a orangey shade, and I don't know why, but I gravitate towards orangey shades in my crease with any color I'm doing, with any look I'm doing. Then I'm taking Played Out, and I'm placing it right now, and then I'm blending it out. So I placed it on my outer corner of my eye, and then blending it out with the brush I used for Thick. Now I'm using I don't know if I can't remember if I used the NARS or the concealer or the Smashbox concealer, but I'm cutting my crease with the concealer. And then I'm going to add Sassy to my lid. And this is amazing. This color is so freaking beautiful. It reminds me of I don't know if it's blue brown or brown blue pigment from MAC. This is incredible. This is like the exact same because you get that blue color, but then you get the brown color. And it's an amazing shade, and this was like, I have to use it. So I got the palette, and it was like, this is the color I'm going to do my first video with. So yeah, now I'm putting Played Out and Sassy on my lower lash line, putting Played Out in the outer and Sassy in the inner. And I'm taking Watermelon. That was the Watermelon blush from Ofra. And of course, adding some more Fix Plus. Oh, so this is Boomin', and this is an incredible highlighter. I really, really like it. As you guys will see, I just keep literally adding it on because I couldn't stop. It's an amazing, like, I'm gonna be really glowy this fall and this winter with this, and I'm gonna have to get another one because it is, I feel like it's a lot of product in it, but it's still tiny. I don't know, I might have to get a backup because I don't know how long ColourPop is gonna keep it, but it's an amazing, amazing highlighter. See, I just keep adding on. Adding a little bit of mascara on. Then I popped on my lashes and put mascara on my bottom, just showing you guys the look. Now it's time for lips. I took, what is this? This is Anyways, another ColourPop collaboration. This is with Ellery. So this is the look. I hope you guys love this look, and I'll see you guys in the next one.